Hi everyone, and welcome back. The smell of Christmas doesn't start with a wreath and end with cookies. I'm making potpourri today. I'm using evergreen, rosemary, eucalyptus, bay leaf, star anise, cinnamon, dried orange slices, dried apple slices, rosehip, clove, essential oil, and pine cone. I'm using the skin of the orange. I've got a jar to fill, twine or ribbon, and a pair of cutters. So here's how I did it. I've used the skin of the orange to decorate and make it colorful. I used a cookie cutter to cut shapes. Here's how it looks when it's dry. You don't have to use a cookie cutter. You can just slice them up or just tear them apart. So here's how I did it. I cut the cinnamon into pieces. You can break them. And added one by one all the ingredients in the bowl. By the way, I dried the apple and orange slices on my windowsill. Already smells so good. You can add whatever essential oil you have. I've chosen vanilla. Give it all a good mix and we're done. This is how it looks. You can fill it in jars and give it as gifts. They make pretty gifts. Or just fill it in a bowl. Let the smell of these wonderful ingredients fill the air and your home. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. See you soon. Bye-bye.